Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to install APK files on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, search APK file, and if you want to install APK file, so click on download. After click on download, so after downloading, click on Samsung folder and click on my file. Scroll down and click on download, so you will see APK file is here. So after the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.